side Vijay Kumar, and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative video. So today we are going to use the same dataset, Global Superstore, but scenario would be different. I'm hoping that you already know from where I have downloaded this. If you don't, then you can check out my previous video and the link is available in the description below. There I have mentioned from where I have downloaded this file. So it is an open source data provided by Microsoft. So without further ado, let's get into the topic for today. I have kept my dataset in this way: row ID, order ID. So the orders of my columns I have kept row ID, order date, ship date, and so on. So I have total 24 columns. I'm going to consolidate unstructured data which I'm going to receive from my colleague. I have a file. This is workbook 2. Consider that this file I received from my colleague and he has given me 24 columns information. However, he has shuffled the data. First, he has written order date, then row ID, order ID, ship mode, ship date, and so on. So in the end also, the last column, if you see, it was shipping cost. But if I go in my workbook, the last column was order priority. You can see here. So generally what people do, they simply copy paste the data one by one. I'm in workbook 2. Let me go in the first column. So I will go in order date. Let me copy this data. What generally people do, I'm telling you that. Control C. Let's go into the main workbook. I'm in global superstore. Let's go down. And here is the order date. So I will paste this. So this way, generally people consolidate unstructured columns data. This method has two drawbacks. To begin with, it is a time consuming. It may take an hour or so depending upon the columns count of your datasets. Furthermore, the chances of errors are high as we may copy the another field's data and paste into another fields. Therefore, I am going to show you an advanced technique which can solve this problem within 30 seconds, and I'll tell you how. So let's press Ctrl Z to undo this. So to solve this problem, what I need to do, I need to go in Excel advanced options. So the shortcut key to go there is Alt T O. I am in Excel options. I would go in advanced, and in advanced also we are going to deep dive. So let's go down, down, and down. Here in the end, I will see an option edit custom list. Here I'm going to add a custom list. So let's go and select the list of main workbook. Here I have selected A1 to X1. This is the headers of main file global superstore. So let's go and import this. The moment I import it, it would be here. Now click OK. Now click OK. So far nothing has happened, but you will see a magic in a while. Let's go in my colleague's file. I'm in workbook 2. Let's go and apply that sorting here. Alt DS is the shortcut key to open sort window. Press escape. Another way, you can go in data tab and you can open the same window from here. So first of all, we would go in this options, and here we will select sort left to right. Click OK. Sort by. This options we need to select row 1, and here I'm going to select the custom list which I have just created and select from here and click OK and click OK. See guys, so the entire data sets got changed according to the format which I have in my original workbook. Now I can simply go Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow, copy, go down and paste. That's all guys. My work is done. So that's how I have consolidated unstructured data into main workbooks. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा। अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा उनके साथ जो करियर में ग्रोथ चाहते हैं। और मेहनत से नहीं घबराते हैं। और हाँ, अगर ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है तो नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर जोर से हिट कीजिए। आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी विद वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग।